Need to add money to your PayPal account? It's easier than ever. As of December 2025, PayPal supports multiple methods, offering flexibility and convenience. This video will guide you through the process, covering bank transfers, card options, and even cash deposits. PayPal boasts over 400 million active users globally, so let's dive into how to keep your account funded. First, bank transfers. You can link your bank account for free transfers via ACH, which typically take 1-3 business days. In many regions, especially the US, Canada, and Europe, instant bank transfers are available for immediate access to your funds. Next, card options. Adding a debit or credit card is another quick way to add money, but international cards might incur a small fee. Finally, PayPal Cash Plus. This allows you to add cash at participating retailers like 7-Eleven or CVS by generating a QR code in the app. With the introduction of smart funding, PayPal can even suggest the fastest funding method for you, automatically prioritizing instant transfers over cards when available. Each method provides a unique solution for keeping your account funded securely and efficiently.